Welcome you all to Standard 5 to 8. Dear student, hope you all are fine, safe at home. Dear students, as you know, we have to stay at home and fight with this coronavirus situation. So this period is an opportunity for all of us to develop our skill and talent during this lockdown period. Today, the subject health and physical education gives guideline to leading a healthy, fit and happy life. Health is wealth is a popular tagline indicating that the personal physical fitness should be a priority. The subject provides the opportunity to the participant in a regular exercise programs and games of individual choice to maintain physical fitness. Physical education provide a physical movement that are pleasant, dynamic and capacity enhancing for the physical, intellectual, emotional and social development of the student. Exercise and the games have a positive influence of physiological activities of respiration, digestion, blood circulation, etc. in the body. Exercise alone cannot be positive impact on physical fitness. Our diet, daily routine, rest and sleep time play a crucial role in physical fitness. Health related development exercises, sports game play a key role in developing a better physical and mental coordination in a person. A person exercising regularly becomes strong, energetic and always stay a step ahead of others who are not involved in any such activity. A strong body houses a strong mind. Such individuals are able to face any challenge, can overcome difficult situation and succeed in a life. They also help in building a strong and healthy nation. Physical training help to inculcate the self-discipline. It inspires the student to exercise regularly as to realize the long-term benefit. To lead a healthy and happy life, the body needs to be a strong and physically fit. The regular exercise, engage spare time, playing a sports and pursuing hobbies of personal interest. So now student, you understood the how the exercises are important in our life. So now I'll tell you the benefit of exercises. The regular exercises make you physically and mentally strong. The benefit of exercise are as follows. A person become disciplined, which naturally improve a quality of life. A person can lead a healthy life, avoid a major illness or diseases, improve a cardiopulmonary heart lungs capacity, helps to develop to strengthen the muscle, joints and bones in the body, helps to make a body flexible and agile, control blood pressure, reduces fat, space and stones the body, helps to develop the ability to control the stress or tension and the face difficult situation, helps to improve a power of resistance to sickness and disease, help to build confidence and self-esteem, help to remain active throughout life. So dear student, now you understand how the exercises are important in our life. So without exercise, we can't become fit and healthy. So student, now Harshal will show you the warming up exercise demo. There are different types of exercises. For example, warming up exercise, skipping rope exercise, stretching exercise, mix exercise, legs exercise, push-ups, sit-ups, circuit training, etc. Now, student will see the demo of warming up exercise. We'll begin the exercise with jogging. Spot jump. Next exercise, neck rotation. You have to keep the eyes open. Rotate the neck properly. After next exercise, shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Then wrist rotation. Afterwards, one hand swing. Look toward the hands properly, students. Change, both hands swing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then hand rotation. Front side, both hand rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Then leg press. Both the side you have to do, right side, left side. Afterwards, alternate toe touch. Take the distance in the leg properly. Looks toward the hand up. Change. Then ankle rotation. We'll begin with the right leg. Twist the leg up in the 90 degree. Then rotate the ankle properly. Both the side, inside, outside. Change the leg, left leg. Same way you have to rotate, inside, outside. Then jogging exercise once again. Because while doing the exercise, you have to keep your body warm always. Then change, spot jump little. Spread your hands and legs. So this is the stop. This is the warming up exercise.